Today, I'm going to show you how to create a shoppable feed in Spotlight. A shoppable feed is a great addition to your website because it lets your visitors buy directly from your Instagram posts. Let me show you how to create one for yourself. To get started, log into your dashboard and go ahead to create a new feed. Select Shoppable Feed as the option and click on the next step to choose a display for your feed. For this tutorial, I will be selecting the Zoom template. Once you're done with that, click the next step. If you haven't connected your Instagram account already, go ahead and do that. But I've connected mine, so I'll just click on my Instagram account and you can see all my posts displayed here. Because I want particular Instagram posts to show up on my shoppable feed, I'm going to moderate what is being displayed on my website. With this, I simply go ahead and select the products that I want displayed in my shoppable feed. Once you're done moderating, go ahead and click the shop tab. Click on any post and select a link source. Now what this does is connects your product, your page, whatever you want to advertise directly to the particular Instagram post that you have chosen. For this tutorial, I'm using a product on my website and I've connected it. You can go ahead and add more links for any of the other posts that you have selected. In addition to this, you can select the click behavior for that post. Spotlight offers two options. You can link directly or you can open in a pop-up. Once that is done, go ahead to save your feed and name it if you haven't done that already. Once it's saved, you can go on to embed it to any page or post that you want on your website. And that's it. Here's what it looks like on the front end of my website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.